This Cuisinart CGG-180 Petit Gourmet portable gas grill is designed to bring the joy of grilling to any outdoor adventure or backyard gathering. This compact yet powerful grill boasts a range of features that make it a standout choice for grilling enthusiasts who value portability without compromising on performance. Whether you're heading to a tailgate party, camping in the wilderness, or simply enjoying a picnic in the park, the Petit Gourmet promises to deliver delicious grilled meals with ease. The Cuisinart Petit Gourmet portable gas grill features a compact design that belies its ample grilling capabilities. With a porcelain enameled cooking grate measuring 15.5 inches by 9.75 inches, it offers 150 square inches of cooking surface. This size is perfect for grilling up to 8 hamburgers, 6-10 chicken breasts, or even 8 steaks at a time, making it ideal for family outings or small gatherings. The grill dimensions are 30 inches wide by 19.5 inches deep by 31.5 inches high when fully deployed, and it folds down to a compact 22.5 inches wide by 19.5 inches deep by 10.25 inches high for easy storage and transport. Key features. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart Petit Gourmet portable gas grill is its VersaStand integrated adjustable telescoping base. This innovative design allows you to use the grill either as a freestanding unit or as a tabletop grill, adapting effortlessly to different outdoor settings. The base folds up and tucks neatly under the grill, providing added convenience during transport and storage. Equipped with a 500 BTU stainless steel burner, the Petit Gourmet heats up quickly and evenly. The twist-to-start electric ignition ensures hassle-free startup, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. This burner delivers efficient cooking power while conserving propane, making it economical for extended grilling sessions. Setting up the Cuisinart Petit Gourmet portable gas grill is a breeze with its fast and easy setup process. The grill arrives fully assembled, and you can have it ready for grilling in under 10 minutes, without the need for tools. The integrated lid latch secures the grill during transport, while the generous carry handle enhances portability. A spill-resistant drip tray collects grease and drippings, facilitating quick and effortless cleanup after each use. The porcelain enameled cooking grate ensures even heat distribution across the grilling surface, preventing hot spots and ensuring that food cooks uniformly. This feature is particularly important for achieving perfectly grilled meats and vegetables with mouth-watering flavor and texture. Whether you prefer to grill at waist height or tabletop level, the Cuisinart Petit Gourmet portable gas grill adapts effortlessly to your needs. Its versatile design allows you to place it on any stable surface, from the ground to a picnic table, ensuring comfortable and convenient grilling wherever you go. Cuisinart stands behind the quality of the Cuisinart Petit Gourmet portable gas grill with a generous 3-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind for your investment. The grill includes a gas regulator to monitor propane flow from the tank to the burner during cooking, ensuring safe operation. Pros and cons. Pros. Compact and portable, perfect for outdoor adventures and small spaces. Versatile design, use as freestanding or tabletop grill. Quick setup, no assembly required, ready to grill in minutes. Even heat distribution, ensures consistent cooking results. Easy cleanup, removable drip tray and dishwasher safe parts. Cons. Propane tank not included, requires a separate purchase of a propane tank. Limited cooking area, may not be suitable for large gatherings. Conclusion. The Cuisinart Petit Gourmet portable gas grill combines portability, versatility, and high performance in a compact package. Whether you're grilling for a family outing, a tailgate party, or a camping trip, this grill delivers exceptional results with minimal hassle. Its innovative design, fast setup, and easy cleanup make it a top choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts looking to enjoy flavorful grilled meals anywhere. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.